Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to get QR code on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to get your QR code on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. And after opening your WhatsApp, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-dotted icon of valuable for us. Tap on that three-dotted icon and tap on the settings option available for us just below the start messages. And on this interface, guys, at the top of the screen you can see your name and your contact number over here, and at the right side you can see the QR code icon just beside the drop down arrow. Tap on the QR code icon, and over here on this interface you will get your QR code. Now in order to share it, you can screenshot your QR code, or you can just share by tapping on the share button at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to share your QR code through many of the applications which you have installed on your device. And with that being said, guys, after choosing getting a QR code, you can share whatever way you like, and this is how you can get your QR code on WhatsApp. And guys, this is how to get QR code on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.